Hi, Stephanie Kramer. We're going to do a tutorial on brief exercise 311, which is preparing a balance trial. The instructions from this exercise say, from the ledger balances below, prepare a trial balance for Faro Company, June 30th, 2017. All account balances are normal. So I took these visuals from our lesson to help break it down. Assets have a normal debit balance, liabilities have a normal credit balance. And to break it down further, I like how they do the stockholders' equity for the different sections. We'll refer to this during our filling out form. We need to put in the date, June 30th, 2017. And the first item we will plug in is cash, and that is an asset, which is 5,770. And with assets, the debit section is going to be normal. Equipment is next, which is also an asset, 13,190. Accounts payable, that is a liability. So normal balance for those right here is a credit. So we will credit that 1,370. Accounts receivable, that one is a debit with common stock. That one right here is a credit, which is part of stockholders' equity. So common stock is 18,000. Dividends, and going back to our visual, dividends is a debit. So we will debit that 1,530. Service revenue. And even though service revenue is an asset, it is part of stockholders' equity right here. So got revenue right here of a credit for the normal balance. Sorry. All right. Then salaries. Expense. And going back to our visual, expenses are debits. So we will debit that 3,670. And last one is rent expense. And same thing, with it being an expense, it is debited 1,420. And last step for us to do is to add up each column. And they should match as long as we put it correctly. I hit the wrong number. 80, 30. So that equals 28,160. We will do the credit side. 1,007. And they do. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them. And good luck.